Welcome to the world of angelfish, a favourite among aquarium enthusiasts for their majestic beauty and graceful presence. Today, you're going to learn how to create the perfect home for these magnificent creatures. Did you know that the wrong tank setup could endanger your angelfish's life? What if you could avoid the most common mistakes and see your fish thrive? Stay tuned as we cover all the essentials from tank setup to health and companions, ensuring your angelfish not only survive, but flourish. Let's kick things off with the big essentials. Creating an environment where your angelfish can thrive. We'll make it easy to understand, even if you're just starting out. Angelfish are native to the Amazon basin and prefer a habitat that mimics these tropical conditions. They need slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH between 6.8 and 7.8 and soft to moderately hard water. Temperature is crucial, ideally between 76 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. To mimic their natural environment, consider a tank with plenty of vertical space as angelfish are tall. Plants like Amazon swords and Java fern not only beautify the tank, but provide necessary hiding spots for your fish, reducing stress and promoting health. Mark was new to fish keeping when his angelfish began showing signs of distress. He learned the importance of vigilant care the hard way. Angelfish are prone to several health issues, including ick, a parasitic disease that appears as white spots on the body and fins, and fin rot, often caused by poor water quality and stress. Prevent these common diseases by maintaining excellent water quality with regular tests and changes. Also, quarantine new plants and fish before introducing them to your main tank to avoid the spread of disease. Sarah's experience with adding the wrong fish to her tank was a real eye-opener. She quickly discovered that not all species can coexist peacefully with angelfish. Angelfish are semi-aggressive and can be territorial, especially during breeding. They do well with other peaceful fish of similar size. Good companions include larger tetras, peaceful barbs, and certain dwarf cichlids. Avoid fin nippers like some barbs and smaller, more aggressive fish that can stress your angelfish. Creating a harmonious community is about understanding each species' needs and behaviours. Careful selection of tank mates ensures a peaceful tank where your angelfish can thrive. Are you ready to become a master in angelfish care? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and tricks on keeping your aquarium healthy and vibrant. Happy fish keeping!